Is it gonna explode? Why is it farting at me? I don't understand.
Did you ever watch these videos on cars that are farting? They're pretty funny, but did you ever wonder why they're actually making a fart noise? We're going to discuss that, but before we do, make sure you like and follow. If you've ever noticed an unusual sound emitting from your car that closely resembles flatulence, you might be surprised to learn that the culprit is often a malfunctioning purge valve. So we're going to discuss everything about purge valves, exploring what they are, why they make your car sound like it's farting, how to address the issue, and what it might cost to fix and replace a malfunctioning purge valve. What is a purge valve? A purge valve is a critical component of a vehicle's evaporative emissions control system. Its primary function is to manage the release of fuel vapors from the fuel tank into the engine intake manifold. This process prevents the escape of harmful vapors into the atmosphere and helps maintain optimal fuel-air mixture ratios for combustion. Why does it make my car sound like it's farting? The distinct sound, often described as a car farting, is a result of the purge valve releasing excessive air or vapor. When the valve is malfunctioning, it causes irregularities in the air-fuel mixture entering the engine, leading to sporadic bursts of exhaust that produce the characteristic noise. While it may be amusing to describe it as a car fart, it's crucial to address the issue properly and prevent potential damage to your engine and ensure proper emissions control. How to fix a purge valve. If you suspect your car's purge valve is the source of the particular sound, there are a few steps you can take to address the issue. Diagnosis. Consult the vehicle's service manual and seek professional help to confirm the purge valve is indeed the problem. Visual inspection. Check for any visible signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections around the purge valve. If there is issues, it may need cleaning or replacement. Cleaning. In some cases, a malfunctioning purge valve can be fixed by cleaning it. Use a suitable solvent to remove any dirt or debris that may be affecting its performance. Replacement. If cleaning doesn't resolve the problem, consider replacing the purge valve. Replacement parts can be sourced from automotive parts stores or through your vehicle's manufacturer. Cost of fixing or replacing a purge valve. The cost of addressing a purge valve issue can vary depending on factors such as the make and model of your vehicle, labor cost in your area, and whether you choose to do it yourself or seek professional assistance. On average, the cost of a new purge valve is from $50 to $200, with additional labor cost if you opt for professional installation. The cost for professional installation of a purge valve may vary depending on several factors, including the make and model of your vehicle, labor rates in your area, and whether you take your car to the dealership or an independent mechanic. On average, you can expect to pay anywhere from $100 to $300 in labor costs associated with installing a purge valve. To get an accurate quote for the total cost of installing a purge valve, contact your local repair shop. Provide them with information about your vehicle and ask for a detailed estimate. Keep in mind, prices can vary, so shop around for the best combination of quality service and reasonable cost. While the idea of a car farting may bring a smile to your face, it's essential to treat an unusual sound or a performance issue seriously. A malfunctioning purge valve not only affects your vehicle's performance, but it can also lead to increased emissions and potentially harm the environment. If you suspect the issue is your car's purge valve, prompt diagnosis and appropriate action can keep your car running smoothly and efficiently. I hope you enjoyed this video on why cars fart. For more on technology, DIY projects, and making, make sure to follow Make or Build It. And remember, keep on making.